Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here's a new episode of Cooking with Annie. Yes, of course, today I'll be showing you guys how to make pounded yam without the use of a mortar. Ever since I came to Europe, pounded yam was one of the things I missed so much. I didn't know how to make it. Until I discovered that you can actually make it with a blender or even a food processor. So I decided to try it, and ever since I tried it, I have been loving it. So I decided to share with you all my subscribers, for those of you who are battling with the same problem like I was before, that pounded yam can be made with the use of a blender or a food processor. So guys, if you want to see how I made my Nigerian pounded yam, please keep on watching. And before I forget, thanks to all my old and new subscribers, and if you are new and just passing by for the first time, please do not leave without clicking on that subscribe button down below, and don't click on the notification bell because it will definitely notify you of any time I upload a new video. So let's go and make Nigerian pounded yam or pando or whatever it's called. So guys, this is my yam that I'll be using. Just going to cut it up and peel it.
Want to ginger me today, make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist.
So after peeling, I'm just going to dice them up into little bits. So this is my yam. Definitely not going to use all. I'm going to store the others in the freezer. So now I'm going to boil the one for the pounded yam in a pot, add some water and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes thereabout. Just when you notice it has gone soft and can be blended easily. So now I'm going to scoop them into my blender and blend away. So what I'm doing here is trying to mash the yam into tiny bits so it can blend easily. As you can see here, it is blending, but when you notice that your yam is too hard to blend, you can add a bit of hot water, not cold one, maybe hot water from the yam water you used before, and make sure you don't add too much so your pounded yam doesn't come out too light. Yeah, I noticed the color of my yam was a bit brownish, but not to worry, as far as the pounded yam comes out well, that's what matters. As you can see, it has blended to a smooth paste. The next step is to scoop it out. This step is a bit tricky too because the pounded yam is all sticky into the blender. Just try and do it properly. I'm going to scoop everything off camera now and come back to show you guys. So that is my pounded yam. I'm wrapping it. It was so fluffy and nice. Yes guys, you will not believe how this came out. It came out so nice. I am amazed. I ate it with some vegetable soup. So guys, that is how to make pounded yam with a blender or food processor without using a mortar. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.